We are today in the Mount Baker Wilderness, gonna go hopefully fly the drone. It's only 28 degrees out, maybe 25. We got about a 3/4 mile hike. Let's go up here and see what we can find. So that's Table Mountain up there. Bagley Lake's down at the bottom. Looks like we'll go try to fly around that bowl there. We're going to be going over here ahead. It's a beautiful day. No wind. Very little.
20.9 volts, so that's where we should be.
Is this GoPro on? I can't remember. That GoPro should start in a minute. It's starting. Checklist. Go do the checklist. You got that in your hand?
Checklist. 1. Audio voice recorder on.
Yep.
Ground GoPro's on.
Yep.
Quad GoPro on.
Yep.
Goggles recording.
Yep.
Confirm 5+ satellites.
Yep.
Arm.
Yep. I got 600 milliamps power.
Confirm home point.
It wanted to take off, so I took it off.
Okay. Got your home point?
Yep. Am I pointing the right way? My head? Am my head pointing the right way towards the quad?
I can't see it yet.
Okay, I'm coming down. I'm down to the valley on the right. Shit, where the hell are we at? We're coming back to us. See that? We're in the middle of the camera there. My goggles are fogging up.
Okay, it's headed over to your left. It's about 10 o'clock. Now you're getting up over the ridge, or close to the ridge there. You'll see it.
I'll give it some throttle.
I got a visual on you right now. Now you're dropping fast. You went down behind the ridge.
No, I'm not. I'm above the ridge. I'm on this side still.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing 38 miles an hour.
What was I watching up there?
I don't know, but I'm flying still.
Somebody else.
My goggles are fogging up.
Okay, I got you here.
They're just looking back towards. What's our battery at? 800 amps.
Battery's at 17.8.
I got an issue with my. Where am I at? I'm behind us, right on.
Yeah.
I'm behind me, aren't I?
Yeah, I think so. According to this.
Watch my feet. Here we go. We're over our head. Is my body pointing towards Bagley? Where's my body pointing towards?
You're pointing just a little to the right of that tree.
No, the lake. Okay, the red tree.
Lake, yeah. You're pointing at the lake.
Okay, I just want to.
Right at the lake.
1100 amps.
Yeah, 1029.
I'm pointing towards the mountain.
17 volts.
And my head pointing towards the mountain.
Your head is pointing towards the mountain now.
Okay. I hear something to our right. Is there somebody else here? Or that's just the wind blowing?
If the lake were noon, you'd be at 2 o'clock.
Okay, so I'm coming back, so I should be heading towards me. Where are we at?
581.
Right's got a better signal. We're gonna buzz us here.
Strong signal down the valley there.
This is scary than shit, man. Am I pointing towards the mountain, the lake? My head?
Yeah, it's right in front of you now.
Okay, good.
Turn your head straight, you're right in front.
Okay, good. That's what I want to hear.
Exactly.
1500 amps. We wanted to come back at, yeah, 15 or so, didn't we? Where's my landing pad off to my body? Off to the right? Off to my left?
Directly behind you on your left. Or no, just off to your left side.
Okay, that's a snowboarder I hear over there, don't I? Yeah. Okay.
1595.
We wanted to
17.5.
We wanted to land at 3,000. 17's our halfway point. So the landing pad's off my left.
It's off to your left.
Like the wind's blowing up there. Watch my amps for me. I'll turn around and start heading. $2,000.
17.3 volts, 2,000.
There's people bitching.
2,100.
I'm bringing it closer to home here.
You're 2,200.
Okay, we want to land at 3. We got to look for our landing spot. According to this, it's straight ahead.
Yeah.
Off to this, it's according to this, it's off to our left. Oh, I see us now, off to our left corner there.
You got it? Yep.
This is us, right?
Yep. You're coming right around to us here. Here he comes. Coming around now.
2,300. My head's pointing the right way. You can see me?
Right in front of you now. He's coming off to your left.
24.
Right,
I'm just kind
right
of
behind the tree, up high.
Okay, I'm just flying.
Coming back around.
25. I want to land at 3. 25.
He's over here in the sun now. $25, $26.
Here's your...
Strong signal behind us now and off over your left shoulder.
I'm off to the right here, aren't I? Where am I at? Where are we at?
Okay,
Oh, there's... I see, I'm off my head. You can start.
I got you. He's off to your right. He's on your right flank right now. Coming around towards your front. You're facing the tree. He's right in front of the tree now. Just going over the tree. Headed off.
We should probably land soon, huh?
11 o'clock now.
Sensor lost.
Okay, coming back. Coming back.
Oh, I see us now.
Real high.
Real high, yeah.
Coming back, coming down. Off to your left.
I've got it at angle mode now.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got the sun right behind you now.
I'm facing more towards the quad, aren't I?
Yep. is over here in the sun.
I see us.
Yes.
Okay, we're coming for landing.
And I see us too.
I think I see us. Yeah, I see us. I gotta land.
Okay, you're coming down a little low. Good, 20 feet there. 10 feet. Come straight ahead. Coming right for it.
And we want to kill it.
5 feet. Okay, come on. You got 20 feet to come in. Up, just a little bit. Up, just a little bit. Good. 3 feet. Coming in. 2 feet. Just drop it right there. You're on it.
Man. 2,900 amps. 58 miles an hour. Oh, we flew out.
58 miles an hour. Wow.
Max altitude 1,500 feet. Oh, Jim. I hope the GoPro just recorded.
That was a good drop too.
Oh, right on the edge too.
Yeah,
Oh.
Well, I didn't want you to go. I was afraid you'd go over towards the backpack a little more. So.
Wow, we survived. It flew it.
Survived and you dropped it on the tarp. That's what counts.
The GoPro is still working. I'm going to turn this off. Oh my gosh, we survived flying at Artist Point. 25, 28 degree weather. This is awesome. Dude, my fingers are numb, but the battery lasted better than I thought it would. It really did. Here comes some people coming our way. Rock and roll. This goggles were fogging up a little bit there at first, so that was bugging me. Woo! Okay, let's stop some recording here for a second here. Whoa!